Hello, good evening, all. Enjoying holidays, okay, and also enjoying learning zoology in these holidays. Good morning. I sent one video this afternoon that is addiction. Okay, this is a continuation of that one dependence. Addiction and dependence both together. It is a 4 marks question. Okay, here one important bit also there in dependence withdrawal symptoms. Okay, let us start dependence. Okay, what is the dependence? Dependence, dependent, various forms of this word, dependent, opposites. Dependence, a state in which an organism functions normally only in the presence of a drug. Okay, now we are talking the term dependence is related to drugs. Okay, manifested as when a person is dependent on drugs. Okay, when he does not take the okay, that is manifested as a physical disturbance when the drug is removed or when drug is withdrawn. Okay, when he abruptly stops using the drug. Okay, some disturbance is manifested by the body. Some unpleasant conditions are expressed by the body. Okay, anti-tobacco day, it is important for NEET exam. Okay, anti-tobacco day is the 31st May is observed as anti-tobacco day. 31st May is observed as anti-tobacco day. International Day Against Drug Abuse. International Day Against Drug Abuse. Okay, 26th June. Okay, is observed as International Day Against Drug Abuse. Okay, against drug abuse. Okay, substance dependence defined. What is substance dependence? How is it defined? Okay, drug dependence on a substance develops when a brain's neurons adapt to repeated drug exposure and only function normally in the presence of drug. Okay, drug dependence on a substance. Okay, one person depending on the drug. Okay, whether it's morphine or some other heroin. Okay, develops. Okay, when that person depending on the drug, it develops. Okay, drug dependence on a substance develop when the brain's neurons adapt to repeated drug exposure and only function normally. A brain function normally when the person every day takes the drug continuously. When the drug is withdrawn, if he stops using the drug suddenly, several physiological reactions occur, and they can be mild or even life-threatening. Okay, they can mild for caffeine. For example, there is a one person who is taking coffee every day. Look, if he stops taking coffee, okay, he may get headache like that. Okay, they can be mild, or sometimes even it may be life threatening. For example, okay, during this corona outbreak, okay, so all the wine shops were closed by the government. Okay, several people, okay, they are as if they suddenly stop taking alcohol. Now they are feeling they are getting this one. It is a good example for this one. Withdrawal. Okay, when they suddenly stop using alcohol, taking alcohol. Okay, therefore, several physical reactions are shown by the body. They may be mild or they may be life threatening. Okay, this is also known as withdrawal syndrome. what do we call this one? Withdrawal syndrome. Okay, it is not given in our textbook. To understand that, I have given that. Okay, dependence is a tendency of the body. Dependence is a tendency of the body to manifest or express, to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. Unpleasant if the regular dose of drugs or alcohol is abruptly okay, due to this corona outbreak, all the wine shops were suddenly closed because now the people, those who are alcoholics, boozers, we call them boozer. The person who takes alcohol is boozer, is an alcoholic. Okay, now they suddenly abruptly discontinue taking alcohol. Okay, because of that, their body is expressing some characteristics of withdrawal, unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. It is not a good sign, bad one. Okay, dependence is a tendency of the body to manifest a characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome when, if the regular dose of drug or alcohol is abruptly okay discontinued. Okay, this is characterized by okay when he stops taking alcohol suddenly, abruptly. It is characterized by in their body what we in that person we can observe anxiety. He feels anxiety, shakiness in his hands, nausea, vomiting sensations, sweating, and which may be relieved if he resumes again. The wine shops are open and they start taking this alcohol again. These okay withdrawal symptoms are okay, they go away. Okay, anxiety. Okay, what are the symptoms of the withdrawal syndrome? Okay, anxiety, shakiness, nausea, sweating, and once they resume taking it again. Okay, when that means when they resume okay consuming alcohol, when they start again, okay, those symptoms are okay, they are not, they do not appear. In some cases, withdrawal symptoms can be severe, even life-threatening. As I told you in the previous slide, person may need medical supervision also to take them to the hospital. Okay, dependence leads to patient to ignore all the social norms in order to get sufficient funds to satiate his or need. To satiate his needs. Okay, for example, during lockdown, several people lost their jobs and okay, they are not going to the work because all shops are closed. For example, there is one person who is addicted to alcohol. In some areas, the wine shops are open and he wants money and he does not have money because the shops are closed, and he asked the family members to give money. If they don't give, okay, they may kill the wife or children or okay the grand or their parents. Okay, dependence leads to patient, the person who is taking alcohol, to ignore all social norm. They don't bother about mother, wife, or they don't take consideration. Okay, they don't consider whether it is mother or wife. Okay, in order to get sufficient money, funds, okay, to satisfy his needs. Okay, he wants more alcohol. Okay, he wants drugs. Those who addicted to drugs. Okay, whether okay she is mother or wife, it is not important. They even threaten them. They kill them, and in order to get money. Okay, this results in many social adjustment problem that is called maladjustment. Okay, you learned in 10th standard malnutrition, bad nutrition, malaria, bad. Earlier people thought because of bad air we get malaria. Okay, my bad air, bad malnutrition, malaria, maladjustment, malfunctioning, malformation. There are many words starting with MAL as a prefix. A maladjustment, the maladjusted person may exhibit serious behavioral and adjustment problems causing harm to the well-being of himself and as well as others. Okay, some people who are maladjusted person, the person who is maladjusted person, is there will be behavioral problems, adjustment problems. He cannot adjust in the society, he cannot adjust in the family, and one remain adjusted when his physical or psychological needs are satisfied. And when his needs are not satisfied, when we do not give money to that person to drink alcohol, he may become maladjusted. Okay, the immediate adverse effects of drug and alcohol abuse are manifested in the form. What are the immediate adverse effects of drugs and alcohol abuse? Okay, dependence completed. Okay, this is another one. Adverse, this is very important bit, MCQ. The immediate adverse effects of drugs and alcohol abuse are: one, reckless behavior. Reckless behavior. Okay, they scold other people. Okay, they threaten other people. They may beat other people. Reckless behavior and vandalism, and they destroy the property of other people. Violence. They may kill other people, and these are the immediate adverse effects of drugs and alcohol abuse. The people who are taking, using alcohol and drugs, okay, they show these adverse, immediate adverse effects. What are they? Reckless. What are they? Can you tell me now? Can you tell me now? What are they? Reckless behavior. What is the next one? Violence and vandalism. Okay, excessive doses of drugs may lead to coma and death. CD, coma. Excessive doses of drugs may lead to CD, coma and death due to heart failure, respiratory failure, or blood vessels may rupture, cerebral hemorrhage. Hemorrhage may takes place in the brain. Blood vessels rupture and bleeding takes place internally. Hemorrhage. Okay, that's about excessive doses of drugs may lead to coma and death. Why? Due to cerebral hemorrhage, heart failure, and respiratory. Okay, some people take a combination of drugs plus alcohol. A combination of drugs and or their intake along with alcohol generally results in overdosing and even death. Okay, when they take these two together, okay, that may result in, okay, overdosing and even death. Okay, these are the effects of drugs and alcohol abuse. The most common warning signs of drugs and alcohol abuse among the youth. Okay, you have to list out these are: drop in academic performance. Some of the students who are in universities, they smoke and they take chew gudka, and they take alcohol. They, as they're away from the parents, they stay in the hostel, and they go to restaurants or other places, and okay, they start taking drugs and alcohol, and as a result of there's a drop in, they cannot concentrate on the studies. Okay, there will be drop in academic performance will drop. Okay, next one, unexplained absence from the unexplained absence they skip colleges and schools, and lack of interest in personal hygiene. He doesn't care. He does not take care of his body. Okay, he does not take care of personal hygiene. He doesn't take care bath properly, and withdrawal. Okay, and he stops involving normal activities. Withdrawal. Okay, like we take money, withdraw money from the bank. He does not do his normal activities, he is supposed to do. Okay, isolation. Okay, he does not mingle with other people. He remains isolated. Depression and fatigue, tiredness, and aggressive, rebellious behavior. And next one, deteriorating relationship with the family and friends. He cannot maintain proper, deteriorating relationships with family bad relations with family and friends, loss of interest in hobbies in reading, in leisure time, gardening. Okay, those are the some of the hobbies. Fishing in leisure time. Okay, he lost. Okay, loss of interest in hobby, change in sleep and eating habit, fluctuations in the weight and appetite. What do you mean by appetite? Okay, appetite means physical desire to eat the food. Okay, there is a fluctuation. Sometimes he puts up weight. Okay, suddenly he increases weight. Okay, sometimes the weight decreases. Okay, there is no there are a lot of fluctuations in the weight. And fluctuations, sometimes he take more food, he has a lot of physical carving to eat. Sometimes he does not take food at all. Okay, those warning signs of drugs and alcohol abuse. Okay, okay, note down these points. Okay, remaining part will be completed in the next week.